Have you ever got an invite to donate to a friend or a person you know to help them out in face of life-challenging situations, financially speaking, such as a premature death or death in the family, or critical illness situations such as cancer, stroke, and heart attack, where there's tons of money going to need it? Have you ever thought, if that happened to you or your family, will it be okay? Or have you ever thought, those donations from those kind, generous people, would that be enough? Do you know there's a powerful tool and called life insurance, and with a living benefit can really help out in this type of situations? This month is the Life Insurance Awareness Month. And there's about half of Americans don't have life insurance for many reasons. And possibly there's some misconceptions around life insurance contribute to it. So today, I'm going to talk about the top number 1 misconceptions about life insurance. Hi, my name is Lin Li. I'm a financial service professional. I and my team help successful business owners or professionals who often too busy to focus on their financial life as a priority, just like you. We work with you to get a clear picture of where you're at, what's your goal, and come up with an execution plan so that you can be financially secure, independent, and free. For the past 20 years, we helped countless of families to get protected around these life challenging situations. And actually the number 1 misconception around the life insurance is it's too expensive. And they thought life insurance is very expensive, especially for the younger generation. And they think it's about 3 times more, sometimes even 6 times more than they thought the life insurance actually cost. So recently I had a young lady I got to know 3-4 years ago. And I invited her to come have a conversation and join our free financial workshop. She always declined and saying she was too busy. And lately I learned she has cancer, going through chemo. I mentioned that I would love to know if you have any plan in place to help you. Unfortunately, she didn't. And she thought it was too expensive and she didn't have steady income. That's why she never come to the conversation with me. And I think she's not alone. There's so many people think about that's so expensive, stop them to inquiry, which is later on that found themselves in this tough situation like she is going through now. However, there's other story can be very successfully planned well. And this gentleman, actually also very young, had a family and young children, bought a new house. So when he was approached and he said, I'm young, I'm healthy, I'm fine. But he is open-minded enough to come to check it out. Eventually, he took on a $500,000 policy, the term life insurance with living benefits on it. Not too expensive. And then 6 months later, and he diagnosed with stage 4 cancer. Because that policy, he was able to advance about less than $200,000. And he was very grateful, saying, if this check not here, I may not able to have the confidence to beat cancer. Now I have it. So let's take a pause to ask yourself, do you have a plan? If not, please to take actions either reaching out a trust financial service professional or come out to check out our free financial workshop. Start inquiry, start learning. Remember, fortune value actions, take actions.